Welcome to Air Conditioning Repair, West Slope, Oregon. Right Now Heating and Cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. If you're looking for a reliable HVAC contractors in your neighborhood, you should turn to no one else than Right Now Heating and Cooling. We provide services for residential and commercial properties. With more than 25 years expertise in the field, we boast all of the experience and knowledge required to solve even the most stubborn HVAC problems. Our skilled HVAC technicians and contractors are highly proficient in all aspects of the heating and cooling business and deliver exceptional service that includes outstanding results, outstanding customer service, and competitive pricing. Our team takes pride in keeping up to date with the latest codes and technologies in order to keep your family and your home well maintained. No matter how complex or large the job is, we are happy with what they do. This shows in our high-quality workmanship. From minor heating and cooling repairs to huge-scale central installation of cooling and heating systems, our HVAC technicians can help. We only employ factory-trained technicians. They're the best in the industry, so you can be assured that your job will be completed correctly every time. With Right Now Heating and Cooling, we anticipate to continue our relationship even after your new equipment has been installed or fixed. Our ongoing maintenance will keep your unit running efficiently, without causing interruptions. The services we offer include furnace repair, furnace installation, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installation, heat pump repair, heat pump installation, central heating repair, central heating installation, thermostat repair, thermostat installation, and other related services. Our philosophy has always been to offer a fair price and qualified HVAC technicians. We also guarantee our work with a 100% workmanship guarantee. If you need any heating or cooling repairs, or for installation services at your house or office, our HVAC experts are on hand to assist you. We have pricing options on all repairs / expert guarantee of workmanship, emergency and weekend service, as in warranties on every parts and labor. Please visit us on our website, or call us at 503-300-6124.